Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to another video. Uh, can you tell me the name of this plant? Most of the viewers, you will not be able to tell me the name of this plant. I will tell you later on. Just see the beauty. This is the tender leaf. কুচি পাতাটা এরকম লাল হয়ে যায়, আস্তে আস্তে যখন এই পাতাটার বয়স হতে থাকবে তখন এটা আস্তে 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 সবুজ হয়ে যাবে, এমনটা দেখতে লাগবে। You see the canopy of the plant, how beautiful it is, how good looking. You see the beauty of the plant. See how beautiful. In one plant you can see two different kinds of leaves. One is the reddish, and another is green and very bushy appearance. Yes, see the beauty, see the nature. Enjoy this plant. I will introduce this plant now. Just I'm taking time, as you can, some of you, anyone can recall the name of this plant. Probably not. Most of you cannot be able to. Just see the plant. See the plant. This is another plant, same species, same plant. Now see the plant again. It is almost 10 feet long. By seeing the leaf, you will not be able to tell the name of this plant. See how beautiful it is. The color. See the color of the leaf. Very nice looking. See this one. See the beauty. Until you see the bark of this plant, you will not be able to tell the name of this plant. I'm sure. I'm damn sure. Now see the bark. See the bark of the plant. In the close view, see the bark. It is nothing. It is very popular plant, and every day every one of us, most of us, we use it in our all kind of cooking, especially the chicken and beef and others. This is cinnamon. দর্শক যারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, আপনারা এতক্ষণ গাছের সৌন্দর্যটা দেখালাম আপনাদেরকে, এখন দেখুন গাছটা কত সুন্দর। The sun is coming through the canopy. See the sun, scorching little bit. Windy day. It's a windy day here. The temperature is maybe 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. This is cinnamon. দর্শক, এটা এলাচ গাছ, একটা এলাচ গাছ। আমি আপনাদেরকে এখন এখান থেকে I will just try to take the bark. You see the bark. See the bark. Can you remember now? This is the bark. Yes, this is cinnamon. I can take the bark. See now. I cannot see the lens actually. Yes. Now you can see now. See the bark. If I can chew it, আমি মুখে নিয়ে একটু যদি চাবাতে পারতাম এবং তাহলে আমি বলতে পারবো এটা যে সত্যি কি এটা ইয়ে কিনা, দারচিনি কিনা। কি বলো, কেমন টেস্ট? কেমন
টেস্ট? খুব সুন্দর,
ঝাঁঝালো টেস্ট না? একটু
ঝাঁঝালো টেস্ট।
দারচিনি কিনা?
দারচিনি।
খাও, আবার খাও। This man he is very experienced farmer working here. It's the Amin Mohammed Agro Farm. Now he is chewing and telling us, yes, this is cinnamon, এটা দারচিনি, তাই তো?
দারচিনি গাছ, অনেক সুন্দর স্বাদ।
So I'm just closing the video. How beautiful it is. This is the charisma of Almighty God, the Creator. So until next video, stay well, stay healthy. Bye bye.